Hi guys, this is Ranjit, and in this video we'll be having a look at this new Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. And Samsung launched two watches. That's the Watch 6 Classic and the regular one. I have the Classic with me that I've been actually using it for the past 2 days. So let me give you an impression. And this one is actually the 47mm. It also comes in 43mm variant. And guys, don't be worried. Even the regular Watch 6 in terms of functionality, I would say it has the same processor and everything. It's just that this Classic comes in that bigger size, 47mm, and we also have this rotating bezel, which was actually missed quite a bit when Samsung dropped it with the Watch 5 series. So now we have that one on the Classic version, and this is an eco leather band. And again, what comes inside the box is this watch itself. Let me just take it out, and this band is very comfortable. In fact, as this is a review on it, Samsung has also sent me some other bands also. We'll have a look at this one because changing the bands has become a lot easier now. So this is the watch itself, and this is actually having the 47mm as you can see dial. And in fact, I have to say the screen is almost edge to edge on this one. It looks very good. Again, this is the new watch face. I like that, but again, it has tons of watch faces. I'll show you the companion app where you can change. Okay, so again, you can move here to read your notifications and everything, and here are your tiles, so what they call. You can customize this easily. Again, there's a lot of focus on health tracking and sleep tracking this time. I'll show you some of the stats also. And again, these are the widgets. You also can get your entire BMI and all those things on this watch. Those, in terms of that functionality, it's there. We do have two physical buttons. If you just press this button, okay, I have to add my pin, guys. So let me just actually wear it because it's detecting that I'm not actually wearing it. That's why it's asking for the pin again and again. So again, this is the largest screen that we are seeing on any Galaxy watch as of now. Again, as I've told you, this is the larger version. That's the 47mm, and but you also get it in 43mm. Again, this also comes in two variants. That's the standard Bluetooth, but also Bluetooth with LTE option is also there. And if you notice, guys, I have enabled this always on screen on this one, and have been testing it with that. In fact, Samsung claims that the battery life is also very good, and Samsung is claiming about about 30 hours of usage with this always on. If you shut off the always on, if you just do this just so when it lights up, they say you can get about 48 hours. And again, it's just initial days of usage. In terms of battery life, I would say it's closer to that 30 hours with always on, because today morning at about 7:30 it was about at 24%, and this is almost about after 22 hours of usage. So the claim of about 30 hours is up there, but again, this is a watch that you will charge every day. You do also get this charging puck inside the box, and it's again Type-C to this, so it's a magnetic, very similar, but again, this is slightly faster in charging. In 30 minutes, if it's flat, it can charge up to 45% in 30 minutes. So that way, it's actually good. Now we actually have tap to pay. Yes, let me actually show you. And again, you have to use this Galaxy wearable app, and first you have to configure the Samsung wallet. I have already done it. As you can see, I've added one of my credit cards, and once it's added, here if you notice this button, as I've told you, this top button, always if you press it goes back to the home, and this button, this is the back button. But if you hold this button for more than 2 odd seconds, you enable that tap to pay. Again, you have to enter your PIN for security reasons. Let me just quickly do that, and now it will actually show you your credit card. This is just showing me one of my, and I like the fact that visually it's showing you the credit card. So if you have multiple credit cards, you can easily select it, and now it just says just hold it near a tap to pay machine, and you can just hold it like this and do the payment. So this has become very convenient. I'm glad that this functionality is there, and this is the first time Samsung is claiming that this functionality is being provided in India. And apart from that, in terms of day-to-day performance, this is coming with the new Exynos W930 SoC. Earlier they were using the W920, and Samsung says it's fast. And if you notice, yes, this is a lot more faster. I would say they say this is about 34% faster in launching apps and stuff. And yes, I have to agree. If you notice, it's very fast. That way, I haven't noticed any lagginess or anything on this watch till now. So that way, it's actually very good. If you notice, no lag whatsoever you will notice on this watch. Very fluid. And if you just swipe from the bottom, you get to all your apps. The good thing is that this is running the Wear OS 4, and I believe this is the first smartwatch, Android smartwatch, that is running Wear OS version 4. So you have your apps over here, and you also have your quick toggles over here. From here you can adjust it. For example, you don't want that always on, you can just disable it like this, and all those things, all those features are there. One new app that functionality they have given is, again, this will work only with Samsung smartphones, and this is regarding the camera. Let me actually show you. Let me just try to invoke the camera on this phone like this. Okay, here you can see this is a rear facing camera. Yes, hopefully you can see it. Yeah, here it is. As you can see, this is the, I'm just moving my hands here. As you can see, this is the rear facing camera preview, and you see the same preview on the watch itself, and you can actually zoom in directly from here, zoom in, zoom out, and all those things. And if you actually press the shutter button, it invokes a timer and takes a photo. So again, this functionality is also added. As of now, this functionality is only enabled on the latest, Galaxy smartphones. Again, I have closed the app. So let's just go back. Let me just zoom back. In terms of comfort, I have to say, though this watch looks big, it's very comfortable to wear. And that's the reason I actually used it for sleep tracking. In fact, if you go here, and they're talking a lot about the sleep tracking. And again, you tap, you get an idea about your sleep tracking and all this thing. Let me actually show the deeper stats using the smartphone. Again, you will be installing the Samsung wearable app, and for health tracking, you can use this Samsung Health. It tracks your steps and all these things. And if you go to the sleep tracking, it should be here. Okay, here it is, and it gives you a lot more information now, and it gives you a total sleep cycles and all those things. Again, gives you an idea about if it is good or not, things that you should improve, wakefulness, physical recovery. It says it was only yesterday. I didn't sleep that well. To be very frank, I would say. Again, it says good. Mental recovery, whatever. So, and also your sleep stages also, it's giving you an idea. And again, after using this watch for a couple of days, it gives you a lot more analysis. So they're going, so you have that sleep coaching stuff also. So they're going a little bit deeper this time in the sleep tracking. Again, it can detect your snores. Also, as this one actually has a temperature sensor, you can also enable the temperature sensor. Again, as you can say, sleep, skin temperature, and all those things. Snoring, you can do blood oxygen level while you're sleeping. So again, all those options are there on this watch. Another thing that I like, again, it's doing this step tracking, and initial impressions, it's pretty accurate, I would say. Also, I like the fact that, let me just show you the watch back. Let me show you directly from the watch itself. And if you go to the walking, again, it shows you the number of steps. I also like that it is accurately tracking the number of floors that I am climbing, and this is also very important. Again, if you don't know, climbing steps is also very important, and I would say roughly you should climb at least about 10 floors per day. So again, it has all those features. And if you go over here, the skeletal mass and all those things, BMI tracking and all, body composition that they call, is also still available. I did it yesterday. So again, all this information is also there. Samsung had sent us these couple of new bands. Let me just show it to you. This is the sports band. Again, very nice material, very soft kind of a material, I would say. Again, it's a normal buckle one. The default band also, this is the eco leather band that we got. This is also very nice, I have to say. But again, my favorite might be this debuckle hybrid eco leather band. This is the band itself. As you can see, again, if you remember, something like this, this band was provided in the Watch 5 Pro, but that was not the leather band. This is the leather. Feels very nice. And now changing the straps has become very easy. If you notice, let me just quickly zoom in to give you an idea. Now they have given actually us a button over here, and if I press this button, actually I can take out the strap, and that way, again, you can just press this and put it in. So this mechanism of just pressing and changing the straps is a lot more easier now. Another small thing I completely forgot is that even in outdoor sunny situation, the screen was easily legible, because this can now actually go up to 2000 nits. That's very, very bright. So anyways, guys, this was the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. What do you guys feel about this one? And again, guys, as of now, Samsung is running some offers on this one. I wrote them down. First, let's talk about the regular Galaxy Watch 6. It starts at rupees 29,999. That's almost 30,000. But you can get 10,000 off. If you're using a HDFC card, you get 6,000 rupees instant off. And apart from that, if you are exchanging, you get a 4K upgrade bonus. So the total discount works out to be 10,000. That's the same case even for the Classic. I would say that 6,000 HDFC card discount plus 4K upgrade bonus. But the Classic actually starts at 37,000. So if you apply those discounts, you can get it for 27,000. And that is for the 43mm. Again, it also has the 47mm. We also have the, this is for the standard Bluetooth version, but we also have the Bluetooth with LTE version. So what I'll do is I'll leave the link of Samsung's webpage in the description so that you can check it out and check out all the offers. Anyways, guys, that's it for now for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. What do you feel about the same? Anyways, guys, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. This is Ranjit, and I hope to see you in my next video. Take care, guys.